Hello, this is Mrs. Jones with how to solve the first question in the Do Now from February 22nd and February 23rd, depending on which class you're in. So here is the first problem. This is the point slope form of a line, which we all remember is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So what we want to look at is how we can map our equation to the form. So this is going to be y1, and this is going to be x1, and this is our slope. But the tricky part is that in my original equation, it says y minus y1. So we have to remember that y plus 5 is y minus a negative 5. And that x plus 4 is x minus a negative 4. So our x1 isn't 4, our x1 is negative 4. So a point on our line is x1, y1, which on our line here is going to be negative 4, negative 5. So that's the first part. This is a point on our line. We got it straight from the equations, is why it's called point slope. We also said the slope was this number that multiplies the x part. So our slope here is 3/2. And now we want to graph this. Excuse me. So I am going to draw a sad graph. That's not where I want that to be. Let's try this again. All right. So my point, negative 4, negative 5. So negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my y, and this is my x. And negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is negative 4. So here is my point. This is negative 4, negative 5. Now I need a second point, but I don't know a second point. But I do know the slope. And if we remember, the slope is rise over run. So our rise here is going to be 3, and our run is going to be 2. So we're going to start at our point we know, and we're going to rise 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, and we're going to run 2. So here is the second point on my line. And then I'm just going to draw the line. So this was plus 3, and that was plus 2, and that's how you draw the line.